In this video, I will be reviewing a new enhancement for the CheckMate 2023 release, which is about supporting complex hole callouts in the SOLIDWORKS DIM Expert or QIF PMI. I have a file open with two examples of complex holes, a counterbore and a countersink, and also you can see their respective PMI. Now this is SOLIDWORKS DIM Expert PMI. So let's execute AutoMBD to automatically generate the measurements. In order to process these complex holes, you need to enable this switch. Now let's look at the measurements that were automatically created. Looking at the counterbore, you can see the cylinder measurement, the counterbore diameter, and the counterbore plane. Constructions are performed in the background to give us what we need to report on the cylinder diameter, the counterbore diameter, the counterbore depth, and the true position. Looking at the countersink, you can see the cylinder measurement and the cone measurement. Again, constructions are performed in the background to give us what we need to report on: the cylinder diameter, the countersink diameter at the top, the countersink angle, and the true position. And of course, all results are carried through to the GTM and reporting. Okay, let's do that again, except this time it'll be with PMI from an imported QIF file. Okay, so you can see that we have the counterbore and the countersink again. When we go to the QIF to segment command, there are no extra switches to select to process these complex holes. If they are in the QIF file, then they automatically get processed. Looking at the counterbore, again, we have generated calculations for the cylinder diameter and the counterbore diameter and depth. And the same for the countersink. We have the cylinder diameter and the countersink diameter and angle. So again, when using a QIF file for the source for the PMI, there are no extra switches to select to process these complex holes. If they're in the QIF file, then they automatically get processed. Thanks for watching and have a great day.